Hello, internets! Today we're going to do another unboxing. Incredibles 2 Mystery Minis from Funko. Just saw Incredibles 2. It was awesome. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I'm not sure which one I like better, Incredibles or Incredibles 2. I'm going to have to watch Incredibles 2 a few more times to figure that out. But in the meantime, I picked up a toy. Let's see, it's another Mystery Mini from Funko. Wish they would put their logo bigger on the front of the box, but whatever. These are the different toys you can get inside. Quite the selection. And there's an equal chance to get each one, which is a different thing. I don't know, Funko is taking a different tactic. Instead of having like rares and like ultra rares and commons and stuff like that, they've decided to give each figure an equal rarity, equal chance to get all of them. Well now, let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Actually, it's easy to open without any special tools. Oh, look at that. Bottom was barely even glued shut. It just had like a little tiny dot of glue there. Alright, there's nothing inside except for this black bag and the toy inside. Let's see what it is. It's Frozone! Alright. Frozone. Check him out. Made in Vietnam, Funko 2018, Disney Pixar. His head kind of turns. Not sure if it's supposed to, or if I'm breaking it. Where's my super suit? Yeah, he's alright. He's alright. Let's see. What else should we have gotten? I don't know which one I would have liked more. Guess the bad guy. He looks cool. And you know, Jack's the star of the show this time around. But really, I don't know, there's not any one that I would prefer more than the others. So, Frozone! What do you think, internets? Do you like the selection? Do you like this little blind box toy, or what? What about the movie? Do you like the movie? Have you seen the movie yet? What do you think about the movie? Put it down in the comments below. Let's talk about the movie. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.